Okay, game 2 na ta mga birds. May daog sa game 1 ang team Tulo-Tulo. Kini game 2 na sa ato ang volleyball dayon-dayon tournament diri sa Danglag Consolacion Cebu Inter Barangay Championship matchup Tulo-Tulo versus Barangay Lamak. 2-0 na. 2-0. 2-0 para Tris. Servisyo Team Lamak. Tokmod. Pasok. 3-0 na. 3-0. 3-0 in favor of Team Lamak. Game 2 of the best of 3. Championship matchup Inter Barangay volleyball dayon-dayon tournament diri sa Danglag Consolacion Cebu, sponsored by no other than the beloved mayor of Consolacion Cebu, Teresa Aligado, Honorable Teresa Aligado. Cuatro 0 side out. Servisyo Bintoy. 360 shot. Team Lamak pouring in. Not enough. Point. Ono 4. Para dos. Johnny firing. Ikloy and Johnny. Balik. Reset. Side out. 1-4 mga board sa itong score. Team Lamak is ahead by 3 points. Servisyo para 5. Point. 5 na. Servisyo Team Lamak. Johnny. Darain nyo ay. Dapag yun. Ikloy. Tuara. Drop shot. Pasok for Team Tulo-Tulo. 1-5. Side out. Ikloy to serve of Team Tulo-Tulo. Bintoy. Bikilas tirang Bintoy ay. Di mabasa. Ininsik. 2-5. Servisyo Ikloy. Johnny. Team Tulo-Tulo. Keep on bombing. Good item for Lamak. 2-5. Servisyo Team Lamak. Two shot combination. Net bag. Johnny serving. 2-5 mga boards. Pasok. 3-5. 3-5 mga birds. Team Lamak is leading by 2 points. Here comes Johnny again. 4-5. 1 point ball game in favor of Team Lamak. Servisyo Johnny. Johnny piling points. Johnny. 5 igualis na. 5 ball. Para point size 5. Change court.
Bakadol.
This is a must-win situation for Team Lamak. Okay, back to the ball game. 5-6. Johnny serving. Sugag servisyo Johnny ay. Too strong lang, out ball. 5-6. Here comes Team Lamak. Johnny. Net bag. 6-all. Kene para City. Johnny. Ikloy again. Johnny and Ikloy combination. Bintoy. Johnny. Out ball. City size. Team Lamak takes the lead. 6 City size. Johnny. Team Lamak. Ipakamang na sadang Team Tulo-Tulo. Ay, sobras kalami. Side out. Bola sa Team Tulo-Tulo. Servisyo Bintoy. Ibo Kloy, laras Kloy. Wah, ajud Kloy kay maigo ko diri Kloy. City size. Johnny, kamang na. Kloy! out ball. 7-all. Bintoy to serve para Otso. Bintoy. Firing. Added by Johnny. Good item delivered by Johnny. City 8. Last 4 na mga kaboards. Todi signature shot. City 9. 2-point lead in favor of Team Tulo-Tulo. Kine para Otso. Bintoy. Single shot. Side out. Servisyo Ikloy. Forward. Side out. Servisyo Team Lamak. Ikloy. Answer by Team Lamak. Johnny. Binomba sa ere. Johnny again on the attack. Up on the air. Is Johnny. Johnny again. Let it fly. Drop shot again. Drop shot is good for Team Lamak. 8-9. Last 3. Team Lamak to serve. Drop shot. Pasok. No answer coming from Team Tulo-Tulo. 9-all. Para Gis. Last 3 mga birds. Out ball. Gis 9. Last 3. The momentum has shifted to Team Lamak. Ikloy struggling. Team Lamak on the attack. Sinugurado na talaga sa Team Lamak. Pasok. Last ball. Team Tulo-Tulo must defend this serving. Johnny. On the attack. Ako! Sumablay pa si Johnny. Daog na sa game 2 ang Team Lamak.